Are you eager to dive into the exciting world of programming? Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance their skills, this video will serve as your comprehensive guide to becoming a programmer. Step 1. Define your goals. First, it's essential to define your programming goals. Determine the specific field you're interested in, such as web development, mobile app development, data science, or artificial intelligence. This clarity will help you focus your efforts and tailor your learning path accordingly. Step 2. Choose a programming language. Next, you'll need to select a programming language to learn. Some popular choices for beginners include Python, JavaScript, or Ruby. Each language has its own unique strengths and applications, so research them to find the one that aligns with your goals. Step 3. Learn the basics. Once you have chosen a language, it's time to start learning the basics. Familiarize yourself with fundamental programming concepts such as variables, data types, control structures, functions, and object-oriented programming if applicable. Online resources, tutorials, and interactive platforms can be invaluable in helping you grasp these concepts. Step 4. Online courses and resources. Enroll in online programming courses or follow structured learning paths on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or edX. These platforms offer comprehensive courses taught by industry professionals, providing you with a structured learning experience to enhance your skills. Step 5. Practice regularly. Programming is a practical skill, so regular practice is crucial. Code small projects, solve coding exercises, and participate in coding challenges. Engaging with coding communities and contributing to open source projects will help you gain experience and improve your problem-solving abilities. Step 6. Build projects. Apply your knowledge by working on personal projects. Building projects allows you to apply programming concepts to real-world scenarios, solidifying your skills and building a portfolio that showcases your abilities. Step 7. Collaborate and seek feedback. Engage with other programmers in forums, coding communities, or meetups. Collaborating with others exposes you to different perspectives and helps you grow. Seek feedback on your code and learn from experienced programmers. Step 8. Specialize and expand. As you gain proficiency in a programming language, consider specializing in a specific area. Explore frameworks, libraries, or tools related to your chosen field. This will enhance your expertise and make you more marketable in the industry. Step 9. Stay updated. The field of programming is ever evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices. Follow programming blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and attend conferences or meetups to continue your learning journey. Step 10. Build a portfolio and seek opportunities. Assemble a portfolio of your projects to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. Apply for internships, freelance gigs, or entry-level positions to gain professional experience and further develop your programming abilities. Becoming a programmer requires dedication and perseverance. Embrace the learning process, practice regularly, and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Begin your programming journey today and unlock a world of possibilities.